Alrighty, a few minutes late into the session. Not too big of a deal. We're looking for shorts today. Our only target's gonna be this 8 a.m. low here. On Nasdaq, this level's already been taken out. We are testing this inverse gap, or I guess reclaimed bearish gap. So if we can get, actually we would have to build structure here for us to be able to enter anything. Today might be another day of no trading. I haven't traded all week. Bias hasn't been clear. So I've just been staying out of the markets. We could enter on a favorable close here. If we get one. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of this at all. I think RR here doesn't make sense, so I'm going to sit out. Oh, we didn't even get the entry. It sucks that we don't have any targets like below price. My strategy didn't give us nothing below there. Because London low was taken out already on both indexes. Just got such a small range, like you can't really make nothing happen off of that. I mean, like, even if we close below the swing low, I still don't want to take that. That's 4 points. Like, I feel like it just doesn't make sense to enter a trade here. Now, if we could take it down to like these lows, that would make sense, but that'd be forcing a target, breaking my rules. We still technically have not gotten an entry yet. Looks like we are gonna get the entry. But again, we can't, like, this sucks. We're just gonna have to watch this go by. Still haven't got the entry. This one could be pretty quick because once we take out this 8 a.m. low, we're gonna be done for the day. Looks like we're about to get our entry. Boom. So we would have entered there. Yeah, I'm just simply not going to take that. We're not going to take it, but we're going to watch it. We'll say hypothetically we'll take it down here. But again, we're not doing this. Wow. Huge candle. We'll watch this for a few more minutes and see if like it'll hit our that level we have marked out. But yeah, I'm not upset about that. I do not want to be taking, like, honestly, if we were to use full risk on here, this shit is 0.58. Yeah. Miss me with that. Mm-mm. Now, if we would have had, like, Asia low down here, that's what we just wicked to, actually. Still would have been, we could have entered with half risk. That would have been a little decent trade, but we already took out Asia low. Short day at the office. That's for sure. Hopefully tomorrow bias is a little bit more clear. Today, I guess I can go over this since we're not really gonna be trading no more. Bias on a daily gives us this target of Wednesday high, which we took out pretty early into the day. we have been green for a while. Um, we'll probably see some type of strong retracement, potentially. Like we're on a green streak right now. But anyways, scale down to the 1 hour. And this was basically where I got the whole bearish bias from. Was, well, first of all, the only session level we still have intact is going to be this London high. And as you can see, Asia high was right here. London opened, swept out Asia high, and then broke structure to the downside. So London was used to sweep out buy side, means that we would expect New York to try to reverse this move higher and trade lower, which is sort of what we saw during pre-market. Took out London low, which was our other target that we could have potentially had. Took that out during that 6 a.m. candle. So, pretty boring day today. Pretty boring week, if we're being honest. Like I said, I don't think we've gotten any type of setup. So I'm happy. I haven't lost anything. Our setup hasn't been present, so we haven't been trading, and that's exactly how it needs to be. Trading is supposed to be boring. It is boring. But yeah, I mean, everything's good. Looks like we're potentially going to get stopped out on this hypothetical position, which is exactly what we don't trade without having any targets. Because if price doesn't have a reason to go down here, it's not going to go down here. So why would we trade it? NASDAQ, this is just sloppy. Sloppy. But yeah, I'm going to get up out of here. Relax a little bit before I go to work. Enjoy the fact that I followed my rules today. Reward myself for it. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but reward myself for following my rules. And yeah, we'll catch y'all tomorrow. As always, stay blessed. Go be great. All that good stuff. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch a setup.